Hello again, guys. Welcome to a new vlog. Now we're back at, as always, at the gym, my favorite gym, Full Force Fitness Center. This morning I have to come a little bit earlier because yesterday was totally so crazy, guys. I cannot do a thing yesterday. That's why I do my old routine push-up, but this morning we have to do a back routine. Last time we used a all-in-one back routine, we used the equipment, but this time we're gonna use a lat pull down and a rope pull down. So yeah, every time, guys, just a quick reminder: don't use the same equipment or machineries because you cannot take a good result. Okay, let's start cracking now. Okay, we start first with the lat pull down. Okie dokie. Once it is done for the lat pull down, now we're gonna go to the other one, the row pull down. And make it sure, guys, double check the equipment or machinery before use, and start with the lightweight, and then you can adjust to it. Okay, just gonna drink water, guys. See, yesterday is about crazy yesterday, but look at now. It's about almost empty, guys. See, it's a good one that I come in early because you can finish early and can do some extra later on. Yep, pretty quiet day, guys. Yeah, yesterday, oh boy, everywhere, any area, it's full house, guys. That's the busiest I've even see that gym yesterday here at Full Force Fitness Center. Now I did adjust. I put another weight, so that's around 90 pounds. Okay. Guys, every time double check. That's why about a week ago I forgot to double check, so the last attempt was failed. So this time, make it sure last attempt is gonna be good to go for the day. Okie dokie, have to drink my pre-workout again. Give me a energy a bit. Oh shit. Oh. Probably one more sit each in we call it a day. Yeah, yesterday guys was so crazy. So see, a bit quiet right now. Same thing as the gym right here. Empty guys. Yep. Probably one more and we call it a day. Okay. Okay, that's a good routine. Flat pull down and row pull down for the lower back and upper back. And for my new subscribers and new friends out there, just a quick recap guys about the gym and training fitness routine. There's a lot of variety to it. If you improve your cardio, you can do that one as well. If you want to tone, all bark here. And the last one is the my favorite, strength and conditioning. That's why I didn't go like heavy, bulkier kind of thing. I'm just gonna stay tune up, guys, because it's good. You got lots of things to do. If you're like too bulky, I don't know, but probably some of the guys they love to do that, like bulkier. And probably we call it the day because we have another plans for later. And good morning Canada, almost midnight in the Philippines, Monday. So thank you again guys for supporting my channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace out guys.